क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? हाँ, मैंने खा लिया. Yes, I have eaten. Yes, I have eaten. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं खाया. No, not yet. No, not yet. थोड़ा खाया है, बाद में और खाऊंगा. I had a little, will eat more later. I had a little, will eat more later. तुम ऑफिस कब जाओगे? When will you go to the office? When will you go to the office? 10 बजे निकल जाऊंगा. I leave by 10. I leave by 10. आज छुट्टी है, नहीं जा रहा. It's a holiday, not going today. It's a holiday, not going today. शायद मीटिंग के बाद जाओ. Might go after the meeting. Might go after the meeting. क्या तुम सब्जी ला दोगे? Will you bring vegetables? Will you bring vegetables? हाँ, लौटते वक्त ले आऊंगा. Yes, I'll get it on the way. Yes, I'll get it on the way. आज टाइम नहीं है. No, I don't have time today. No, I don't have time today. देखता हूँ, अगर मिल गई तो ले आऊंगा. I'll see if I can find it. I'll see if I can find it. तुमने बच्चों को होमवर्क करवाया? Did you make the kids do homework? Did you make the kids do homework? हाँ, सब कुछ पूरा करवा दिया. Yes, I got everything done. Yes, I got everything done. नहीं, मैं भूल गया. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. थोड़ा करवा दिया, बाकी तुम देख लेना. I did some, you manage the rest. I did some, you manage the rest. क्या कपड़े धो दिए? Did you wash the clothes? Did you wash the clothes? हाँ, धो दिए हैं. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. नहीं, मशीन काम नहीं कर रही. No, the machine isn't working. No, the machine isn't working. कुछ कपड़े धो दिए, कुछ बाकी है. Some are done, some are left. Some are done, some are left. आज क्या बनाऊं खाने में? What should I cook today? What should I cook today? जो तुम बनाओगे चलेगा. Whatever you cook is fine. Whatever you cook is fine. कुछ भी मत बनाओ, बाहर से मंगाते हैं. Don't cook, let's order food. Don't cook, let's order food. दाल चावल या फिर खिचड़ी? दाल राइस और खिचड़ी. दाल राइस और खिचड़ी. क्या मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ? Do I look good? Do I look good? बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो. You look beautiful. You look beautiful. ठीक ठाक ही लग रही हो. Just okay. Just okay. तुम्हारी मुस्कान सबसे प्यारी है. Your smile is the best part. Your smile is the best part. तुम गाड़ी धो दोगे? Will you wash the car? Will you wash the car? हाँ, अभी कर देता हूँ. Yes, I'll do it now. Yes, I'll do it now. नहीं, बहुत थक गया हूँ. No, I'm too tired. No, I'm too tired. कल सुबह कर दूंगा. I'll do it tomorrow morning. I'll do it tomorrow morning. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? हाँ, बताओ क्या करना है? Yes, tell me what to do. Yes, tell me what to do. अभी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I won't be able to help now. I won't be able to help now. थोड़ी देर में करता हूँ. I'll help in a while. I'll help in a while. आज घूमने चले क्या? Shall we go out today? Shall we go out today? हाँ, चलते हैं कहीं. Yes, let's go somewhere. Yes, let's go somewhere. नहीं, मौसम अच्छा नहीं है. No, the weather isn't good. No, the weather isn't good. शाम को देखते हैं. Let's see in the evening. Let's see in the evening. तुमने दूध रखा फ्रिज में? Did you keep the milk in the fridge? Did you keep the milk in the fridge? हाँ, रख दिया है. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. नहीं, मैं भूल गया. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. शायद माँ ने रख दिया होगा. Maybe mom kept it. Maybe mom kept it. क्या तुम बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ दोगे? Will you drop the kids at school? Will you drop the kids at school? हाँ, मैं छोड़ दूंगा. Yes, I'll drop them. Yes, I'll drop them. नहीं, मुझे देर हो रही है. No, I'm running late. No, I'm running late. ऑटो बुला लेते हैं. Let's call an auto. Let's call an auto. रात को क्या देखेंगे टीवी पर? What shall we watch on TV tonight? What shall we watch on TV tonight? कोई मूवी देखेंगे. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. आज टीवी देखने का मूड नहीं है. Not in the mood for TV today. Not in the mood for TV today. जो तुम कहो वही देखेंगे. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. क्या तुम्हें मेरी नई ड्रेस पसंद आई? Did you like my new dress? Did you like my new dress? बहुत सुंदर है. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. इतनी खास नहीं लगी. Didn't find it special. Didn't find it special. हाँ, ठीक है. Yes, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. क्या साथ में मार्केट चले? Shall we go to the market together? Shall we go to the market together? हाँ, चलते हैं. Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. नहीं, बहुत भीड़ होगी. No, it'll be too crowded. No, it'll be too crowded. ऑनलाइन मंगवा लेते हैं. Let's order online. Let's order online. क्या मेरी तबीयत ज़्यादा खराब लग रही है? Do I look too unwell? Do I look too unwell? हाँ, थोड़ा ध्यान रखो. Yes, take care. Yes, take care. नहीं, ठीक लग रहे हो. No, you seem fine. No, you seem fine. डॉक्टर से पूछ लेते हैं. Let's ask the doctor. Let's ask the doctor. बिल जमा कर दिए क्या? Did you pay the bills? Did you pay the bills? हाँ, ऑनलाइन कर दिए. Yes, paid online. Yes, paid online. नहीं, याद ही नहीं रहा. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. कल सुबह कर दूंगा. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. तुम मुझे कितना प्यार करते हो? How much do you love me? How much do you love me? बहुत सारा. A lot. A lot. ये सवाल बार बार क्यों पूछती हो? Why do you ask this again and again? Why do you ask this again and again? बोलने से ज़्यादा मैं महसूस करवाता हूँ. I show more than I say. I show more than I say. क्या मेरी बातों से तुम परेशान होते हो? Do my talks annoy you? Do my talks annoy you? कभी कभी होता हो. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. हर किसी की अपनी बातें होती है. Everyone has their ways. Everyone has their ways. तुम्हें मेरे हाथ का खाना पसंद है? Do you like the food I cook? Do you like the food I cook? बहुत पसंद है. I love it. I love it. कुछ कुछ चीजें ठीक नहीं बनती. Some things aren't that great. Some things aren't that great. अच्छा तो बनता है, पर रोज वही मत बनाओ. It's good, just don't repeat dishes daily. It's good, just don't repeat dishes daily. तुम ऑफिस कब से आ रहे हो? When have you been coming from the office? When have you been coming from the office? बहुत टाइम हो गया है. It's been quite a while. It's been quite a while. अभी अभी पहुंचा हूँ. I just reached. I just reached. जल्दी आने की कोशिश कर रहा था. I was trying to come early. I was trying to come early. खाना गरम कर दूँ? Should I reheat the food? Should I reheat the food? हाँ, प्लीज गरम कर दो. Yes, please heat it. Yes, please heat it. नहीं, मैं बाद में खा लूँगा. No, I'll eat later. No, I'll eat later. पहले देख लेता हूँ, शायद गरम ही हो. Let me check, maybe it's already hot. Let me check, maybe it's already hot. बच्चों का होमवर्क देख लिया? Did you check the kids' homework? Did you check the kids' homework? हाँ, सब कुछ सही था. Yes, everything was fine. Yes, everything was fine. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं देखा. No, haven't checked yet. No, haven't checked yet. हाँ, लेकिन थोड़ी मदद चाहिए थी. Yes, but they needed a little help. Yes, but they needed a little help. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. तो डॉक्टर के पास चलो. Then let's go to the doctor. Then let's go to the doctor. तुम ठीक लग रही हो मुझे. You look fine to me. You look fine to me. आराम कर लो, शायद थक गई हो. Take rest. Maybe you are just tired. Take rest. Maybe you are just tired. तुम्हें मेरा खाना पसंद आया? Did you like my food? Did you like my food? बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. It was delicious. It was delicious. थोड़ा फीका था. It was a bit bland. It was a bit bland. ठीक ठाक लगा, बस नमक कम था. It was okay, just a bit low on salt. It was okay, just a bit low on salt. आज मूवी देखे क्या? Shall we watch a movie today? Shall we watch a movie today? हाँ, बहुत दिनों से नहीं देखी. Yes, it's been a while. Yes, it's been a while. नहीं, आज थका हुआ हूँ. No, I'm tired today. No, I'm tired today. अगर टाइम मिला तो जरूर. If we get time, sure. If we get time, sure. मेरी नई ड्रेस कैसी लग रही है? How is my new dress looking? How is my new dress looking? बहुत प्यारी लग रही हो. You look beautiful. You look beautiful. मुझे पुरानी वाली ज़्यादा पसंद थी. I like the old one more. I like the old one more. रंग अच्छा है लेकिन डिज़ाइन ठीक है. The color is nice but the design is okay. The color is nice but the design is okay. कुछ बाहर से मंगवाए क्या? Shall we order something from outside? Shall we order something from outside? हाँ, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. नहीं, घर का खाना ही अच्छा है. No, homemade food is better. No, homemade food is better. पहले मेनू देख लेते हैं. Let's check the menu first. Let's check the menu first. तुमने मेरी बात सुनी भी या नहीं? Did you even listen to me? Did you even listen to me? हाँ, मैं पूरी तरह ध्यान दे रहा था. Yes, I was fully listening. Yes, I was fully listening. नहीं, थोड़ी देर के लिए ध्यान भटक गया. No, I got distracted for a while. No, I got distracted for a while. दोबारा कहो, शायद कुछ मिस हो गया. Say it again, maybe I missed something. Say it again, maybe I missed something. हम कहीं बाहर घूमने चले? Shall we go out for a trip? Shall we go out for a trip? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. Yes, great idea. Yes, great idea. अभी नहीं, काम बहुत है. Not now, too much work. Not now, too much work. पास में कहीं चल सकते हैं. We can go somewhere nearby. We can go somewhere nearby. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.